The Indian freedom struggle has been legendary and has contributed to India's rich political history. Every youngster is shown an example of Gandhi's ideals of honesty, Mother Teresa's humility, and Chacha Nehru's faith in children holding the power to change the world. In today's era, there is so much for children to observe, learn, and imbibe from their surroundings. Yet many young children are often trapped in the westernized virtual world where they spend their day indoors in shy isolation, which further can result in delayed developmental milestones and hinder the overall development of the child. To help children deal with shyness and boost their self-confidence, we have developed this unique game which is called Let's Lead. Let's Lead is a cosplay game based on roleplay and dramatization techniques. The game enables children of 5 years and above to enact, embody, and learn from some of India's inspiring freedom heroes. With the help of unique props, our little heroes don a costume and the mic acts as a speaker, enabling them to dub, act, and perform along with the pre-recorded speech. The user manual would help guide the children through the role of the characters with engaging visuals. It would help the children dive deeper into the historical and cultural significance of the characters they would be portraying. It would also give some simple explanations of how the props and the mic would be used for dramatization. This game can help the child boost self-confidence, inspire leadership qualities, reduce stage fright, cater to social and emotional development, and develop imagination and visualization skills. It also cherishes the Indian theatre culture and invites parents and peers to be the audience for the child's performance. This game also fosters creativity by letting children make their own props using the available material at home. For example, Mother's Dupatta to adapt the character of Rani Lakshmi Bai. The app will also provide 100 plus recorded speeches and narrations of great leaders which can be downloaded at one's convenience. We are using the ESP32 Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module to help the mic connect to a phone app and at the same time be able to play the recorded speeches via a speaker and push button integration. The SD card on the module would store multiple recordings at once and the user would select the recording of their choice from the app. Our objective is to bring the heroic stories of Indian freedom fighters to children, helping them learn more about visionary leaders by means of roleplay. Our team members include Amruta Supate, product designer, Shruti Chakke, visual designer, Bhaskar Sen, engineer, and Krupa Adpawar, student of communication media for children. Let's lead. खेले साथ, सीखे साथ.